All right, what's going on, everybody? So this is an auto detailing tip. We're going to be looking at how to care for microfiber towels. Now, these towels can run pretty expensive. And the biggest question is, how do you maintain them? How do you take care of them? How do you wash them? And can you dry them? What do you wash them with? I'm going to answer that right now. First things first, when you get a microfiber towel and you're using it, the first thing you want to do before you can look at washing it, you need to inspect each towel and make sure that there's no debris stuck on the towel, because like this here, you throw it off to the side. If you can't take it off, then trash it. So we're going to look through every single towel, make sure that there's nothing stuck on it, no kind of sticks, debris, dirt, rocks, anything else. They all look clean. Okay, so I'm going to stick them in the wash machine. So number one, do not use fabric softener. Do not use fabric softener. Let me say that again. Do not use fabric softener. All works pretty good, or you could use Tide. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put half a cup. That's enough. I'm going to shut this thing up. You could wash it on hot. I prefer to wash it on cold. Make sure that your soil level is normal. You could do a speed wash if you have that setting on your wash machine, or you can use, let's see here, you could use whites, or you could use something like bulky items. If you have a bunch of microfiber towels that you're washing, I would recommend using bulky items. Okay? What I also recommend is if you have an extra spin, make sure that extra spin is selected. Then, what we do, go ahead and hit start and let it wash. Next thing is, after they're washed, we're then going to take them out, put them into the dryer, and you're not going to use any fabric softener sheets. You're just going to dry them, and dry them on medium heat. Don't go super hot. Give them a little bit more time, and then you'll be good to go. Take them out, fold them up, bag them up, do what you have to do, and you'll be ready for the next day of work. So, hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.